Christ.
We're there. We're here. Welcome, welcome.
Welcome back, everyone.
Hello, everybody. We're glad you made it through the day.
And
we're
it
glad
was
we
a
did.
great day. So if you're watching this live, welcome back. If you're watching the replay, we moved it up a little bit. It just seemed like a lot of lag time. So you're welcome no matter how you're watching us. And can you believe the day's over already? This day seems to just fly by. So many wonderful things happening, and I don't know about you, but my brain feels like it's just ricocheting this way, that way, and everywhere. And I think what I need to do now is just kind of think, what am I going to do first? Because I've got so many ideas floating there. Some of you have already posted ideas and things that you've done, so that is wonderful. That's pretty amazing, actually.
Yes, it is.
And
Yes.
we're going to come back to the secret stamping in a bit. But I think to help us focus, maybe choose one idea that you're going to try first. And for me, I think it might be Marilyn's box, and I might put some photos in it as well. And I'm thinking of a Valentine's gift for someone in my life. So I
Nice.
think that might work. And the second I think is going to be the mixed metallics. It's a toss up between those two, but I can see Valentine's potential or Mother's Day potential or something with that box.
Mother's Day for
So
sure.
what
Yeah.
about you, Joanne? What's at the top of your list or near the top?
Well, I think I do need to try that pop-up card, the fun fold you did, and I loved the rainbows with the different colors, with the metallics as opposed to all the bright colors. I love the bright colors, but that was a really good
Metallic.
take on it. And I want to try the stripes because I have, just like everybody else, tons of little pieces of paper, and thought I was getting good at not keeping all those little pieces, but no, not really. So I'm going to give that a shot
And
too.
rabbits, they multiply.
Yeah, that's right.
So that's me.
Right.
How about you, Joanne or Marilyn?
Yeah, I'm going to try Joanne's first card with that fun fold.
Mm.
I think that would be really a neat thing to try. And I don't have the rainbow set, so I'm not going to tackle that one, but I will certainly try. Well, I'll try all of them eventually, just even the format of them.
Yes.
And that's the whole idea. And
Right.
like so many other people, I've got so many new sets here I want to use that I'm going to be pulling them out and using them.
Well, and that's what I sometimes do is I say, okay, I've got this set. I am going to use it on a card and then make that commitment instead of being all over the map, which I do a little bit.
No, not you.
So I know that it's getting late in some time zones, so we're going to wrap this up pretty quickly. But I just wanted to recap that this event is actually came out of something bad or not so good, COVID, and it's one of the good results that's come out of it because it has just been a wonderful way to connect with each of you, no matter where you live. And we've learned how to do that and celebrate it. It's become a real sense of community. So, and that was the goal because we lost that community that we would get when we got together at retreats and crafting events. So, so glad that this has met that need and that we can spend it with you. So just a few things to remember, and I'm going to refer to my notes. You have unlimited access to this Facebook page, so you don't have to worry and stress out that it's going away. It's going to be here for you all the time.
Sorry, Lillian, it's going to be here where you can post your cards and comment for about 2 more weeks, and then it will be archived. I don't know what it's called now, but it's archived in my world. And you can always go back and refer and watch things again.
It means that after a couple of weeks, you won't be able to add to it, but you will be able to still see it. Yeah. Thanks, Marilyn. Okay. And their videos are also, even the tip videos, everything is also going to be on YouTube, and those links will be sent to you within the next couple of days, but by whoever you signed up under. So one of us will be sending it to you. If you don't receive it in a few days, do let us know because it's available. We've got you covered no matter what. Let me just see. Remember, we love it when you take a photo of what you've done, and share it and post it, and just like you did for secret stamping. And if you love checking off lists and boxes, I shared this a bit last night. This morning we posted this little form, and it has little things, and it's just fun to, there's no prize, there's no anything other than, oh, I did that. So there are things on here. Use an embellishment on one of your Stamping Staycation projects, or decorate an envelope for one Stamping Staycation card, those kinds of things. And as you do them, you could just X them off, but why don't you get a pretty stamp and stamp it on? You can, some of those stamps that haven't seen ink yet, you might as well just keep them going.
Good idea.
That is there for you to use. It's just for fun. And I'm already off track. Let me just see. Okay, we do ask that you don't share the tutorials or videos that we share with you, because this is exclusive to you and to this group. But you're more than welcome to share the samples that you make. So if you've made, say, for example, a secret stamping card today, and you want to share it on your Facebook page, or you want to share it on your YouTube channel or Twitter or Instagram or whatever you use, feel free, and maybe mention us along the way, or tag us, or whatever it is you do in those kind of platforms. But just, we love that you share what you do. So that's just being said. And if you know someone who would have loved to do this, and you say, oh, they would have loved it, but they've missed out. No, they haven't really, because it's still available. So they've missed out doing it today, but they can still purchase this Stamping Staycation. And that information has been posted on the Facebook page, or you can contact any one of us, and we can help you out with that too. And that being said, if you have loved today and you said, oh, I've missed out on all the earlier ones, we also have those available too. So once again, watch for that information popping up, or contact one of us and we can help you out. That's all good. Now, we have one last prize, because we do love prizes, right? And so all of the people who posted a picture of their secret stamping project, I've entered into the wheel of names. And I think it's time to see what is there. Okay, whoops, I forgot to hit share screen. I'll get there. There we go. And I'm going to put that on. And are you ready?
Yeah, baby. Now we have your music.
Linda Hawk, congratulations.
Congratulations, Linda.
Congratulations, Linda.
So welcome. And now I don't know how to get out of here. Oh, yes.
You should have a stop share button. Yep.
Yeah, there we go. So Linda, I'm just going to write your name down so I don't forget. And we'll have a little something coming in the mail to you too. So now here's another question for you. Would you like to do this again? So if so, and I hope that you do, circle May the 7th. So it's early May, I know that. And so we tried to get ahead of the camping season and all those fun things. So early May, May the 7th, we are planning the next staycation, and I've already got one project designed.
She does.
She's ahead of the game.
And I have to sit on it and be quiet and keep it a secret for that long. So at that event, we'll have the new catalog, the new annual catalog will be out. We'll have that. And so just keep watching and we'll hear more about that. So if there are other things that you would like us to consider for Stamping Staycation, like different techniques or how-tos or things that might work better, like somebody shared today that the reason they were able to make cards today was because they chose the stamp set and then they did everything with the same stamp set, and that was their strategy. They came into the day with a strategy. So if there's something you would like to know or learn about that, again, message us, let us know. There's also going to be an evaluation form, so you can let us know that way. Marilyn's laughing, so there's something.
Well, I'm just reading that somebody wants us to repeat the date because my hubby was nattering.
Yes, I saw that too.
All those hubbies.
Such a problem, isn't it, Denise?
May the 7th.
May the 7th, Denise.
7th.
Oh, sorry.
May 7th it is. So before we leave, we want to give a huge, huge thank you to Carmen for moderating these sessions. She's
Yes, thank you, Carmen.
Yes, thanks,
invaluable.
Carmen.
She's our extra pair of eyes. She knows the information. She's just wonderful for that. So a big thank you to Carmen. And I'd also like to thank Marilyn and Joanne, because through
Ditto.
stamping,
And
we've
you.
become really good friends, and we've become quite a team that loves to work together. So
We
and
do.
we find that our ideas and our strengths and
Compliment.
just all work together, and we compensate. So big thank you for our team as well. So Marilyn and Joanne, anything you'd like to add before I wind it up?
No, just
Ah.
thank you to everybody for joining us again. It was wonderful. And
Yeah, it was. And we are so appreciative of all of you who do come back time
Again and
after
again.
time.
Yes.
And as Lillian said, just if you had a great time today, just do us a favor and tell everybody you know about it, because we would love to have more people take part. And we're always looking for more people in our community. And as we've said several times through last night and today, we are interested in building this community, and we love this community. And so thank you very much, everybody.
And by doing it virtually, we have no limit on numbers. So
Right.
like you say, please spread the word. We love it.
And
We
that
love
just
having
goes
you.
right into how I was going to wind it up and just say thank you to you, all of you people watching this. You make it all worthwhile. And
Yes.
you have encouraged us so much to keep going and doing this. And it just means the world. And we love the cohesiveness that we have here. Now, all good things do come to an end. And so today with you is coming to an end. I hope you've got somebody spoiling you for supper. I told my husband he was on supper duty tonight, so I think it's takeout that's coming in pretty soon. But that's okay with me. I'm not cooking. So have fun making these projects. We can't wait to see what you do. And thank you for joining us. Bye-bye.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.